Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys, we meet again. Now we try to edit it with my French order of design. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. It's not needed. You can try to delete. Yeah. Okay. If you want, if you not sure about this design, we can save as, yeah, save as to another name. Yeah. After that, we have a row of file. It's still here, and we create on new file. Yeah. Okay. I will delete this part. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have a position of 0.0 here. I have order from my friend about this sign. Yeah. 120 sign. Yeah, it's equal, it's 3. Yeah, 3 degrees. Okay, 3 degrees. Yeah, now we try to choose, and then transfer on here, transformation. Now we choose the rotate. Yeah, and we know the angle is 3 degrees. Yeah, 3 degrees, and center 0 from 0, and we will try to apply duplicate 1 and 2 3 4 5, and then choose until 120 shine. Yeah, because 360 divide 120, it's 3 degrees. Okay, let's I'm sure the sign is 120 signs. Yeah, now I want to combine. Yeah, I want to combine this the result, arrange, and then combine. Yeah, now I will to move this stars, yeah, the polygon, and we have modified before on lesson before. Yeah, like this. Okay, yeah, that's I'm sorry. Now I want to try to uh, trim this sign. Yeah, maybe like this. Move to order to back. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Lock. Let's try. Okay. Because the field is white. Yeah. It's the on front of this shape. Yeah. Now I will try to choose this. Yeah. This object, and then intersect intersect with, yeah, intersect with absolutely this object. Yeah, okay, let's try. We see. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we want to try to choose. Yeah, be careful on Photoshop. Uh, Surely to choose save. Okay, that's right. F4, the button F4 for zoom all object. Yeah, we know. Behind of this save is the okay. Now like this. And then okay, the point is 69 point, and uh, they want to fill with gold color. Yeah, like this. Yeah, gold color. Maybe I think use this, right? Yeah, it's nearly about gold color. Yeah, okay. If we are not sure, okay, we can group grouping this image and try to move to center. Yeah, uh to move with this shape, uh I don't use mouse. Yeah, because if we want to mouse, maybe not correct. Yeah, usually I use uh node offset facility to move, and I'm sure the object is center from here. Yeah, okay, now we fill with fountain fill dialog. The type is radial. Yeah, that he want uh, make gradient white to red. Yeah, okay, let's try. Okay, let's the result, but we didn't want it. Maybe we want custom. Yeah, maybe place. Okay, on middle, I take a red like this. Okay, okay. um Not the result, I think. Not at, okay, sorry. Okay, I need move here, and then uh, take white, I think. Yeah, okay. That's it. Yeah, but too big. Yeah, okay. Let's try. uh, okay, increase the add pad. Okay, a bit. Okay, maybe 10. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, uh, it looks like a sign of a line. Yeah, he want to create like this. Yeah, sure. We have another name. Yeah, okay. Let's try save. If you want to open the raw file, it's this. Yeah, it's the raw file from my friend. This uh, new design, yeah, from another name. Yeah, okay, that's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you on next See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.